Hey everyone, I'm back and it's autumn. Quite cloudy, but good enough because we've had too much rain for the summer. Anyway, for today, I will be making Swiss apple pie. Yay! This is for the first time. I found a recipe that doesn't have any crust. And I'll try it today with you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and let's get to it. Oh, by the way, with this recipe we will have apple peels and cores, and we'll make use of that in making a homemade apple cider vinegar. I will be having that full video in a separate topic because I can just start it today, but then it takes about a month or so to have that apple scraps turned into apple cider vinegar. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so for our ingredients, this apple pie doesn't have any crust, so we'll just have filling and a topping. So for the filling, we'll need apples, of course. I'll need to remove the peel and also core, and those peel and core, we'll use it, put it in a jar and use to start apple cider vinegar. But before that, okay, with the peeling apples, cinnamon and sugar, and then I'll top it off with this mixture, which I'll make with a cup of all-purpose flour, an egg, and a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and about a third cup of melted butter. Okay, so I'll just peel the apples first. Right, so I have removed the peels and the core of our apple and sliced it. Okay, this thin. And for the peels, I've put it in a mason jar, and we'll deal with this later on a separate video for making homemade apple cider vinegar. Okay, so let's just set that aside. And for our apple, we'll put it in this greased tins for making individual apple pies. So let's do that. Alright, so for our apples, they all fit in, and then we'll put a pinch of cinnamon over them and also a pinch of sugar. Alright, so now we're ready to make our topping, and we'll do that mixture with the use of this bowl. Alright, so our topping is ready. This is the mixture, and we'll put this on top of our apples. And by the way, while we were preparing this, I've actually turned on the oven and set it at 160 degrees, and it's pan bake. So we'll have that ready, and so we can just put all this once we've topped this, and we'll wait for it to cook maybe around an hour, or as this topping turns to crusty brown. Alright, so our pies are ready to be baked, so we'll put it in the oven. Of course, you guys can also do this in a bigger dish, and you'll be able to do it less messier than I did. But I like to have it individually served like this, so we'll see how it looks after an hour. We'll set it for 1 hour, but I'll have a look maybe around 40 minutes and then check it from time to time. When the crust is ready, then we'll pull it out of the oven. There you go. It's been 40 minutes. Let's have a look at our apple pie. Ooh. It's turning brown, the top one, so maybe I'll swap this to top bottom, and we'll wait a bit still. Okay, it's the moment of truth. It's all done. It's been an hour, so we'll pull it out from the oven. So here it is, our apple pie, and we'll have a taste test. Okay, so let's see how, okay, the topmost part is, let's see how this is. Crunchy top. Let's see. It's nice. Okay, we'll have it tasted by our official judge. Here, it's hot, so have a try. How? Does it taste like apple pie? Proper one.
Very nice, yeah.
Yeah? Recommended?
Yes, dear.
Alright, so there you go, folks. Please have a try of this recipe. It's very simple enough. This is my first time, so if I'm successful, anyone can do this. So until next time, everyone, please, those of you who haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, please do it now. Okay, bye.